The American Tourister Sunside Spinner is a great value hardside suitcase with generous packing capacity and useful organisation. The medium checked case measures 26.6 by 18.1 by 11.2 inches and weighs a lightweight 7.9 pounds. This hardside suitcase is made from lightweight polypropylene and has a matte textured finish that is scratch resistant. The Sunside has a separate zipper to expand your case for 1 extra inch. This increases the packing capacity by 12 litres. The case has luggage feet to balance the case and keep it raised off the floor when setting it on its side. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. This case has handles on the top and side of the bag for carrying. There's no bottom handle, but the case is slightly indented to help with lifting the case. The retractable handles maintain a streamlined profile. They're not cushioned, but are reasonably comfortable to hold. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 2 heights using the button on the handle. It was a pretty smooth and sturdy handle to operate. The 4 double spinner wheels felt securely attached to the case and are slightly recessed for protection. The wheels rolled smoothly and quietly on a variety of surfaces and manoeuvred well when changing direction. This case opens like a clamshell with 2 interior packing areas. One side of the case has compression straps to hold your clothes in place. The other compartment has a zippered divider to stop your belongings falling out when opening. There are 2 zippered mesh pockets in the divider to keep smaller items secure. There's also an accessories pocket along the spine of the case. The double zippers run smoothly and have easy grip zipper pulls that dock into the integrated TSA luggage lock. Overall, the American Tourister Sunside Hardside is a lightweight suitcase that rolls smoothly and is available in a range of colours to your individual style. To complete the set, there is also a carry-on and large checked suitcase available in the American Tourister Sunside collection.